In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a chart on Looker Studio in just 5 minutes. To kick things off, our journey begins at the doorstep of Looker Studio. You'll want to head over to the Looker Studio website. It's a wonderful place where data meets design, allowing you to visualize and share your data through informative and aesthetically pleasing reports. Once you've landed on the Looker Studio homepage, you'll notice an inviting option to use it for free. Go ahead and click on that. This opens the door to a world where the power of your data is lit up in a whole new way, without any cost to you. As you progress, you'll be prompted to enter your email address. This is your key to entering the Looker Studio universe. Go ahead and type it in. The journey through data is always more fun when you're logged in and ready to create. After you've entered your email, the next step is to input your password. Take a moment to do so, then click on Login. This action is like turning the key in the ignition of your data visualization journey, signaling that you're ready to drive into the world of Looker Studio. Now that you're logged in, the next move is to go to the main Looker Studio page. Here you're faced with endless possibilities of what you can create with your data. Imagine it as standing at the entrance of a theme park, ready to explore. Feeling the excitement yet? Good, because it's time to click on Create. This is where your creative journey truly begins. It's like picking up a blank canvas, ready to paint your data into a masterpiece. Select Report next. This is where you decide what kind of masterpiece you're going to create. Picture this as choosing the theme of your painting, setting the stage for your data story to unfold. Next up, you'll be prompted to click on My Data Sources. Think of your data source as the palette of colors you're going to use for your painting. It's where all your raw data lives, waiting to be transformed into visual insight. From the options available, you'll want to click on Sample World Population Data 2005 to 2014 inches. Consider this specific data set as the primary colors on your palette, with which you can begin to sketch your outsides. To give life to your creation, you'll need to click on the same data source again. It may feel like double checking your color choices before you commit to them on your canvas. Now take a bold step and click on Add. This action brings your chosen data right into the heart of your project, ready to be molded into something meaningful. Once your data is where it needs to be, click ADD to Report. This is akin to laying down the first strokes of paint on your canvas, marking the beginning of your data's transformation. The climax of our journey is when you click on Add a Chart. This is where the magic really happens. It's your chance to turn raw numbers into a compelling visual story. As you click that button, think of it as choosing the type of brush or technique you'll use to bring your vision to life. Creating charts on Looker Studio isn't just about making graphs. It's about breathing life into data, making it speak in colors and shapes that everyone can understand. It's about transforming numbers into narratives, insights into illustrations. As you follow these steps, remember that each click is a stroke of creativity, each decision a shade of insight. So go ahead, create your chart, and let your data tell its story in the most visually compelling way possible. And there you have it. Just like that, you're on your way to mastering the art of data visualization on Looker Studio. Keep experimenting, keep exploring, and remember, every chart you create is a story waiting to be told. Happy charting!